external, beauty as well as internal health and well-being. They say vodka water has the least calories. So if you're not concerned with taste, then I think that's the healthiest. Some people say tequila. I of course don't drink at all. Makhana. I don't know if you're familiar with makhana, but it's like lotus seeds and you can bake them. They're really nice. So I like makhana, and I just like cut cucumber and carrots with hummus. I have lots of like healthy, and I like vegan chocolate cake. People say it doesn't taste nice, but I think it tastes really nice. I haven't tried any of these diets. Like some people try this. I did try one diet and it was crazy. I think it was a Beyonce diet, and I can't believe that it's all that she was having for anything more than an hour. But it was something called like the seawater maple syrup diet, and you're supposed to have just some kind of salty water and 1 spoon of maple syrup in the day, and that's it. And a friend of mine was doing it, and she did it successfully, and I did it very unsuccessfully because I lasted about an hour. It was awful. I'll tell you when I turn 30. I think when you're married to someone who's 5 years younger than you, that motivates you to try and look young and fit every day. I feel that you get results. When you get results, you get motivated. And if you have a mirror, if you work in this industry, if you see yourself, on Pink Villa, and it's an unflattering picture, that motivates you to work out. I'm a creature of habit and routine, I have to say. So I haven't really made any huge lifestyle changes, but again, I think having met Kunal, who's a morning person, my later nights have gone, I go to sleep a little bit earlier and I wake up a little bit earlier, and I eat better because I had a very rigid diet, and now when you live with someone and you share and you eat off each other's plates, I've certainly expanded my diet as well. I actually enjoy exercise. I like the endorphins. It makes you happy. It makes you less depressed. I enjoy playing badminton. I may not enjoy going to the gym so much, but I really like cardio exercise, like sports. So I love playing badminton. So I would definitely eat everything, and I don't know if I want to work my ass off because that would not look attractive. But I would definitely want to exercise, and I would not fall.
I sometimes have fish at night. I prefer fish, but if sometimes I'm traveling and fish is not available, I go for chicken or some egg whites. So that's my last meal. And then if I'm again hungry at night, I don't like to eat anything solid, and I'm not suggested to eat anything solid, so I go for a protein shake. Yeah, that's it. No, definitely not an early riser, but these days I'm working towards being very disciplined and waking up on time. So whenever I wake up at 6:30 in the morning, then I make sure that I'm awake, so I keep myself awake. My favorite meal is the third meal. You can call it lunch, because I get to have lamb. I really struggled hard to earn that lamb, and my trainers finally said yes, so I enjoy my lunch the most. I have to lie to my trainer to have a cheat meal, because according to him there's no concept like a cheat meal or a cheat day. But sometimes I like having maybe once in 15 days I go have a pani puri, because I love pani puri. Indian, I love Punjabi food, I love dal makhani, I just love Indian food. So yeah, all these years I was thinking that I can't work out in the morning because I feel lazy, but with time, with being more disciplined, I realized that working out in the morning for somebody like me works the best, because then I have the whole day for myself. And I just gave this concept to me earlier that, oh, I need to have so many meals to work out properly, but no, that's not true. I think in the morning when you wake up, you could just have a little bit and go for your workout, and the whole day you feel energetic, you feel healthy, and so when you start your day with something healthy, I think you're very motivated throughout the day. Oh my God, I had no idea about what diet is, but I heard it somewhere, and it was years ago when I was going for Miss India. I think it was 2012, yes, and I had no idea about workouts, I had no idea about diet, and someone told me that salt isn't good for you, and in a short period of time, if you want to lose weight, you could do this. I went on this crazy diet and had no salt, no carbs for 3 months. And then when I actually started working out and fitness became a lifestyle, I realized that was the worst thing I could do to myself. I didn't have salt for 3 months. And no carbs at all, and going for workouts, empty stomach, and starving myself for hours. That's not good. So now I make sure that I eat every 3 hours. There's alarm set for every 3 hours. I wake up in the morning just to have food and then go back to sleep. So I think
how do I keep myself motivated? You know, I have so many things going on all the time, and I want to have the energy throughout my day to be able to, you know, survive, 12 hours, 15 hours. We travel all over the world all the time. I also follow a couple of people where these like really fit people, and then I see them and I go, fine, I won't eat bad today, or fine, I'll do the extra, to feel good. I'm doing it right now. Trust me, you don't want to be around me. I think I might just be the horrible person on the planet right now. Because all I want to do is eat. It's all, like you said, it's all mental. I've eaten and I've had enough calories for the day, but for some reason I am still hungry. It's this juice diet that I'm doing. I really wanted to cleanse out my body because, like I said, I stopped eating meat, and I just want to take it another step forward and really focus on eating raw fruits and vegetables and cleaning out my system. And it's hard. It's hard, very hard. I would rather work my ass off at the gym so I can eat whatever the heck I wanted, because I'm a foodie at heart, and I really want, what I really want right now is an aloo ka paratha with like a big scoop of butter on it, and like on the side this like little bowl of curd, and then on the other side a little bowl that has the ajar, and just watch the butter melt. You know what I do? I do darshan. I go, namaste. How are you today? I go, hi. I pray to the food, and then I say goodbye, or I steal somebody's plate, I smell it, and then I let it go. My advice to young girls out there, first of all, I do believe that young people should exercise and be healthy. There's absolutely no reason why you are overeating and eating for 4 people instead of 1. So that's not healthy. You might enjoy it, but it's not healthy for you. That doesn't mean that you have to be a size 0. There's plenty of women all over the world, in Bollywood, myself, that eat healthy, we enjoy our lives, and we embrace our bodies. And if you are petite in one section and larger in the other, then embrace it and, enjoy your body, because you only got one, and treat it like a temple, because you only have one of them. And once it goes downhill forever. So make everything move up instead of down. I think I have the most amazing fans out there that have shown me so much love and love the songs that I've done. If I look a little more round in a video, that's just me that time. And you know what? You have to just embrace your body and who you are, and that's it, and just love it. I mean, who cares? There's a little jiggle somewhere that you wish there wasn't, but whatever. There's people watching the video, they love it. It's like, I just don't watch it over and over again, but people do.